Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we will see the set methods in Python. As we have said earlier that sets can be mutable. Some sets cannot be mutable like Trojan sets. But we will see what are Trojan sets later in this section. Now let us see how to modify the sets using the add method. Elements can be added to the set by using the built-in add function, and in this method only one element at a time can be added. But we can use the loops or an iterable object to add multiple elements at a time with the use of this add method. For example, here I have created an empty set with the variable name set6. Let us add an element one at a time to this empty set using the add method. So this method add an element to a set, and this has no effect if the element is already present because sets are unordered collection of unique elements. So multiple elements cannot be stored at the same time, means duplicate elements are not stored. So that is the meaning. If the element is already present, repetition of that element is not allowed. That's why this has no effect if the element is already present. Let us add 1 and 2, the numeric values, the empty set. So here we can see 1 and 2 we have added to an empty set. Let us add loops or iterable objects to this set 6, which consists of 1 and 2 already with the add method. Once again I am using the add method to add a tuple with the elements 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tuple is nothing but an iterable object. So here we can see we have added a tuple, means an looping object or iterable object as one set element inside the set. So tuple has been kept as it is. Look at here. It is not the extend method. Add will add a single element. Here the iterable object tuple is considered as a single element and added before the already existing set values. Let us see how to add a list of values to the set using an control flow statement like for loop or an iterable or decision making or looping in Python. Here we have used for loop, which is nothing but an Python standard iterator object. List 2 consists of the values 8, 9, 10 up to 14. Let us use the add method to add each element one at a time using this for loop. For each element in range with the length of the elements inside the list, set 6 that add list 2 and then using each element in this range. So here we can see 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. List of elements have been added after the current set elements. Next, let us see the remove method. Here we have a set 7 with the tuple elements and applying the remove method on this set 7 to remove an element from a set, and the removing element must be a member of the set. If the element is not a member, this remove method will raise a key error. What does it mean? Not a member means if the element is not present in the set. So that is the meaning. Here 8 is present inside this set 7. Let us remove that. So we have removed the value 8, means a member of the set if it exists. Since 8 is a member of the set 7, so it has been removed. For example, if we use the member which is not a member of this set or element which is not a member of this set 7. For example, here 11 is not the member of this set and 8 is also not the member of this set right now because we have removed the set element 8. Let us try to remove the 11 which is not a member of this set 7, and what happens? So here we can see it raises key error. Key error means it searches for the key element. 11 is not the member of this set 7, hence it raises key error. Next we have the discard method. It works similar to like the remove, but it does not raise an error if the item does not find in the set. Because the name itself suggests that it will discard if the item is not present inside the set. For example, 9 is present in the set. Let us see what happens if we use 9 inside the discard method. So 9 has been removed. Once again, if we use 11, which is not the member of this set 7 now, so we can see there is no changes in the original set and there is no key error also. Original set has been displayed as it is. So that is the meaning of this discard method. It will just neglect if the element is not present and displays the original set. Next we have the pop method. Pop method will remove the lost item from the set. We should avoid using it unless until it is necessary in set. Because set is an unordered collection of data elements, so it can remove any random item from the set. Because there is no index position in sets, because the name itself indicates that set is an unordered collection of data elements. Unordered means there is no particular index position for each element. Here we have set 7 with these elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then 10. Let us use the pop element to see how it removes the random element from the set. So look at here. It has removed the random element 1 from the set. Let us apply this set once again to see how it will delete the random element. Here 2 has been removed. Next we have the length function to print the length of the set. Let us see the total number of elements present in the set 7, which are nothing but 6, because the last executed variable set 7 consists of 6 elements. Remember that in Python the recent value will be evaluated and the recent variable or value evaluated will be considered to move further. Next we have the clear and delete methods in set. Let us create a set with the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with the variable name sets8 and use the clear method to clear this set. After using the clear method, we got an empty set. This is because clear method will clear all the elements present in the set. It removes all the elements from this set and create an empty set. By default, it will not create an empty set, but when it removes all the elements, then the set becomes an empty set by default. Now, how the delete keyword works and sets. Here we have set 9 with the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us use the delete keyword to delete the set. So we have deleted set 9 and trying to display it. So when we delete the set, Python interpreter will not recognize that if we use that variable to display it. So in the first statement we have already deleted and we are using the print statement to display set 9. So Python interpreter will create an error because this set 9 will not exist after deletion. So hence it is showing name error. The variable name set9 is not defined. Next we have the copy method. This method will return a copy of a set. For example, here we have created set 10 with the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and we are using the copy method to copy this entire set and assigning to the new variable set 11. Let us assign the copy of the original set 10 to the new variable set 11 and delete the old set 10 and try to print set 11, which is nothing but the copy of set 10. So we can see after copying set 10 to the new variable set 11 now consists of all the elements which are present in the set A 10, and after copying all the elements of the set 10 to the set 11, we have removed set 10. It will just remove set 10, not set 11. Hence, we are getting set 11 elements with the print statement. Thanks for watching this lesson. In the next lesson, we will see some of the important questions and answers for them in set.